going to show you how you can use LibraryThing to find books for some of your assignments. From the LibraryThing homepage, www.librarything.com, we need to change the URL. Add, after the slash, catalog / RDG 301 library, and go ahead and hit return. This will bring up the catalog for the books that we've added for the Dick Smith Library. You'll notice that there's a little note on here that says Reading 301 Library has a suggested style for viewing this library. Use it. Click on that link. So this will bring up some information that you should find helpful for your assignments. There's lots of ways that you can look at books that we have in the collection. So far we've entered over 5,000 and we're adding more every day. The library is divided into a lot of different collections. We've got picture books and chapter books. We've also got it divided by various genres, so you can search that way. And you can also use the tags feature to look at different types of books as well. We have a number of different tags for the books. We've also used things like the various genres that from over here, and the book types such as picture book and chapter book. But we've added other ones as well that may come in useful if you're looking for particular books on particular issues or for particular subject areas. You can also do searches on it as well. I'm going to go in and just select just picture books, and I'm going to use the search this library box right here. And I'm just going to look for some books since students right now are working on social studies resource files. I'm going to look for some books on slavery, but I'm just going to type in slave because that should also pull up books that are about slavery. This little search feature isn't quite perfect. I'm searching all fields. There's a number of selections you can do there. You could look for just titles and authors, tags, comments, subjects. But by this one, we're pulling up just about any place where that 5-letter combination SLAVE comes up. Keep in mind, I am looking just at picture books. There's a little note here that says 56 books were found in all the collections. You could click on that to see all of them, but that would also bring up chapter books. If you scroll down here, you can't see in this particular view, but it probably pulled up some of these books because of subject headings that have to do with slaves or slavery. If the word slave appears, or if that 5-letter combination appears in any of the tags, subject headings, description of the book, the title, even if it shows up in the author's last name, it's going to come up in this list. So it's not perfect, but it's a good way to get started. So you can see here that we've got about 33 picture books having to do with slaves or slavery. You can look at the tags here to see which genres various books are in. First couple ones here are nonfiction books, informational, biography. There's also some further down here that are historical fiction. One here that's a poetry book as well. And you're given the call number so you can find the book on the shelves. Keep in mind that some of the books may just be in our display area behind the reference desk on the lower level. The books right now are sorted by call number order. That's the LC classification. You've also got your title and your author here. The comments field includes some information about accelerated reader reading level, accelerated reader interest level, which generally for picture books it's going to say K3. And then where we've been able to find it, we've also added the lexile that you will learn about if you haven't already with Dr. Gentry. And that's about it. This doesn't tell you whether or not a book has already been checked out or not. For that, you would have to check in the library's catalog or ask one of your friendly librarians for help. This is Amanda Pape, and this was using LibraryThing to find books for your assignments.